Hey friends, it's Kivia. Welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, we're going to be cleaning and organizing my craft room. Alright you guys, this is the craft room. It's a hot mess right now, but we about to take care of this. I think if I have that clip, I would have already talked about it in the video already, but if I don't, here we go again. So this room was supposed to be my husband's office, but we decided to make it into the craft room. Right now we have a bunch of his military stuff in here. I did mention that I wanted to put the plaques and stuff in the garage, so I'm going to do that. But right now I'm getting ready to clear all of this stuff out at the bottom so I can make some room, because I need all of this space down here for storage. So I'll be doing that, and then I need to find a solution for all of this stuff that I removed out of my office that I will be leaving in here because it is craft supply items, but I just need to find, most likely I'll probably buy another cube shelf to put all of these items on. That's the only way that I'm going to be able to get it up off the floor. And I might have to move my son's desk in here temporarily, because I am also getting all of the rooms set up for the guests we're going to be having for Christmas, and the media room is going to serve as some sleeping space for some of the kids. So I need to make room for that, and I want to start decorating for Christmas too. So right now, getting my house together is top priority, and then I will start putting out some Christmas content for you all. So right now, let's get this room cleaned up. If you are new here, my name is Kivia. My channel is all about DIYs, home decor, and organization. If any of that interests you, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and keep watching.
War is a four-letter word. Trust yourself and you get hurt. Tell yourself it's so absurd. Four-letter words, four-letter words. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited.
I definitely wanted to point out how indecisive I am. I laugh at myself when I edit these videos and see myself working harder and not smarter. My brain just functions different, I guess, but you'll see what I mean. Just keep watching.
Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah. Gravity at its limit, at its limit. Do you feel it? Like down, down, I lost the game that I couldn't play. My memory card it got erased. Well, I'm not plugged in anyway, yeah, 'cause it's a maze every day. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited. Did you get struck by lightning? Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah. Gravity at its limit, at its limit. Do you feel it? Like
So it was at this moment when I realized, girl, why did you move all of that stuff in this corner only to move it out? This is what I'm talking about when I say my brain works different. I have no idea. It's like when I was rearranging the room, my thought process just started going, saying something else would make more sense. So yeah, when you see me doing stuff like this, just know, I mean well. I'm not crazy. It's just my brain is processing a little slower.
Ain't we up there? 'Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, 'cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving.
Definitely why I'm doing deep cleaning right now. Look at all of this pollen, dead bugs. Sorry if this kind of gross you out, but yeah, we need to take care of this ASAP because that is disgusting. Alright, I gotta make this quick because I didn't realize how close it was to pick my son up from school. So I got a bucket of water. I'm gonna use this LA's Totally Awesome from the Dollar Tree. I got this power wash and I'm gonna use this brush, and I have a magic eraser. So let's see what we can pull off real quick. Oh, and I do have another cup, so I'm gonna pour the water in here so it can just flow.
Try to give you my best shot, but my best don't mean a lot. Bullseye always miss that spot. It's all I got. 'Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving.
All right, we have Jordan's desk in the media room, and I'm going to be putting that in the craft room. And it's going to be temporary until after the holidays, because I need the space in this room. So that's why I was reorganizing that room to make space for this room as well. And this room has been my craft project room. I've been in here because the TV is in here and I like to have some background noise, and also I just like to watch TV while I'm doing my crafts, just to kind of get that motivation. So this room I'm going to be getting a makeover as well, because I'm going to be transforming this excuse me, into the theme that I'm doing for Christmas, which I will be showing you guys. So I'm getting ready to move this desk right now into the craft room. I just got my husband to put this together for me. It's pretty big, so it has a 12 on here, and I think it's going to fit in the closet. I just might have to take this other cart out of here. But this should be more than enough space for everything that I need to put on here. So I ended up putting all of those boxes and stuff in here, and then I could just organize everything on the shelves. And I just had to put this stuff up here temporarily until you know, I get everything situated, but it's coming together. Like I said, this is a temporary situation, or it might be permanent because the dust seems to flow in here well, and we want to turn that media room into an official media room with theater chairs and everything. So I might just go ahead and keep it in here because it's not bad at all. And it's just gonna be Jalil staying in here for Christmas because my dad will have his room. So he'll just have a little air mattress or something right here, or probably just get some blankets and sleep on the floor, who knows. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the closet and get everything put on here. All right, I got it in. That was a lot of work. But I think I might take these doors off. I'm not sure yet. Hopefully things will stay neat in here, but I don't know. I might take them off. But all those t-shirts up there, I need to put on the shelves. I think this blue container that I have right here, I got some stuff in there. I'll probably put that on the shelves as well. And then these that I had, I'll put those here too. But now I have to find somewhere to put this. Maybe right here. I don't know. I don't want this room looking too cluttered. Let's see.
Lose control. You don't wanna go slow. For sure, we both already know. Your place is my place now. My place is your place. Let's face it, baby. You know.
All right, it's all done. Looks more functional to me. I got this in the closet. And I need to get some different type of storage for the items up here, but right now that will do. And I have this here. I didn't have enough space to empty out this little container here, so I just left that stuff in there. And the heat presses are still there. I have Jordan's desk there. And then I put that here. So this is the smallest room in the house, but it's still, you know, some walking space and stuff. Not too cluttered, but you know, we can function in here. And like I said, Jalil can sleep right here in the middle. He'll be fine. All right, so that's another room off my list. As always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. I really hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care.